Materials in engineering. The engineering materials can be classified into one of the three main categories. We have the metals, we have the ceramics, and we have the polymers. The chemistries are different, and their mechanical and physical properties are different. In addition, there is a fourth category, which is the composites. Metals can be found in nature as raw material. Some processing are going to be required to change it into a ready-to-use items. The two basic groups of the metals are going to be the first metals, which are based on iron, which are comprised something about 75% of the metal tonnage in the world. An example for that are going to be the steel and the cast iron. The non-ferrous metal on the other side are going to be all the other metallic elements and their alloys, like the aluminum, the copper, the nickel, the silver, the tin, and extra. Usually used as an alloys, which are going to be composed of two or more elements, at least one of which is going to be a metallic. Ceramic. Ceramic is another natural resources material, compounds containing a metallic or semi-metallic and a non-metallic elements. Typical non-metallic elements are going to be the oxygen, the nitrogen, and the carbon. For processing, ceramic divided into two groups: the crystalline ceramics, which include traditional ceramics such as the clay, and the modern ceramics such as the alumina. On the other side, we have the glasses, which are mostly based on the silica, which are going to be a non-crystalline ceramics. Polymers. Polymers is compound formed of repeating structural units which called the mers. The atoms share the electrons from a very large molecules. It can be a plant-based, like rubber trees, or it can be a petrochemical products. Reprocessed to make the plastic pellets and liquid rubbers are going to be required. The three categories of the polymers are the thermoplastic polymers, which can be subjected to multiple heating and cooling cycles without altering the molecular structure. We have the other type, which is the thermosetting polymers, where the molecules chemically transform into a rigid structure and cannot be reheated. And we have the elastomers, which show a significant elastic behavior. Composites. Composites material consists of two or more phases that are going to be processed separately and then going to be bonded together to achieve the properties superior to its constituents. Usually, a structure consists of a particle or fibers of one phase mixed with a second phase. The properties will depend on the components, the physical shapes of the components, and the way they are going to be combined to form the final material. Thank you, and see you in another video.